Right, I've got a really nice 2021 on a 21 plate Touareg SEL Tech, deep black pearl metallic. It's a one local owner, 23,000 miles. We've taken this in part exchange and it is really nice. It's just had a 3-stage polish and detail at our detailers. It looks absolutely superb. It's got a lovely shine on it. Really super condition. So I'm going to walk around this vehicle and show you in detail. We'll start here at the back corner. If you're watching this on YouTube, please have a look at our website, which is justnicecars.co.uk, where you'll see the full specification, lots of photos, and also this video. So the wheels, they're black and diamond cut, and they're all unmarked. I'm going to show you each one as we're going round. There's no scuffs on them. Tyres all good. Looking down the side of the vehicle, no dings, no chips and scratches. It's super. Going to go really slow. I've just checked all the door edges. There's no touching up or anything down there. We have both keys, full handbook pack, Volkswagen service history, last done at 18,500 miles, which I'll show you in a minute. Front wheel. Just check the windscreen, there's no stone chip damage on there. And I'll go carefully across the front for you. You'll find a stone chip or two that's been probably touched in by our detailer, but there's nothing at all that stands out here, as you can see. So still under manufacturer's warranty. Handbook pack there, certificate of conformity, last serviced at 18206 on the 10th 2022 at Volkswagen. 2 services it's had. Other front wheel. Same down this side. No marks. All lovely and shiny. Privacy glass to the rear, factory privacy, lovely spec. This drives lovely. I think it's 286 brake horsepower, these. 4Motion 4-wheel drive, just a lovely car. And a nice size as well. Park sensors all round. I think it's got a power boot, this one. Yes, it has. So the rear shelf automatically comes up there. LED lighting in the rear, first aid kit and pump kit in the boot. So no spare wheel. Looks quite a shallow boot, so I don't think you get a full-size wheel in there. Wheel lock key in situ, lovely and clean. Right, I'll just stand back, give you a side view, then I'll show you the interior. And it's ready to go, this car. It's just lovely. Right, we've got a nice black leather. It's got fitted over carpet mats. It looks like new in there. It is lovely. Handles to move the seat backwards and forwards. Isofix. Piano black. Dash and door capping trims. Just lovely. Right, in the driver's side. Powerful door mirrors, they're heated. No wear on the seat. Right, the mileage is 23,153. Got that digital dashboard, big screen there. It's super all the way around this car. Nothing I can point out as a defect. It is lovely. So, if you've got any questions, please give us a call at the showroom. We'll answer any questions if you'd like a finance quotation, possibly a PCP. you have a part exchange, or you just want to phone and buy it. It is ready to go, and no disappointments with this. It's super car. One local owner and low mileage. Thank you very much for watching.